BGC is already known for its modern and upscale atmosphere. But today, we're visiting one of the most elegant dessert cafes in the city, Ladurée. Known worldwide for its luxurious pastries and iconic macarons, Ladurée is more than just a dessert shop. It's an experience. Cheers! Cheers! The moment you enter, you immediately notice the attention to detail. The menu offers a wide variety of selection for a relaxing dining experience. One thing I appreciate here is how the elegance continues throughout the entire restaurant. The ceiling details, the warm lighting, it's the kind of place that works perfectly for romantic dates, intimate celebrations, or even a relaxing afternoon coffee break. From the beautifully crafted pastries to the carefully designed displays, everything feels sophisticated yet inviting. Even the smallest details like the water glass presentation add to the luxurious feel of the experience.
Share sa plate ko. Sa akin chocolate sa'yo. Sa akin walang shots ng caffeine. Plus share sa plate without coffee. Oo. Tapos sa'yo. Ganun na rin sa akin.
Of course, Ladurée is most famous for their macarons. What makes them special is the texture. The shell has a delicate crisp on the outside, while the inside stays soft, chewy, and flavorful.
Yung best sa akin yung chocolate. Dark chocolate pala siya. As in, fan ako ng dark chocolate. Tapos yung worst ko is yung passion fruit. Di ako fan ng maasim eh.
Marie Antoinette ko type. Parang hindi ko ma-explain yung... Hindi, iba yung lasa. Hindi mo ma-explain. Tapos yung pinaka-the best sa akin, yung rose, saka yung dark choco. Saka Dubai.
Sorry, but I'm not fan of dark chocolate po. And then first, none other than Rose. Yes.
Best sa akin is yung dark chocolate. Why? Kasi yun lang naman ang tinikman ko. The Ispaw is probably one of the most visually stunning desserts on the table. It combines rose, raspberry, and lychee flavors into one elegant dessert.
Strawberry milk.
Goods po siya, pero parang subtle lang yung lasa niya. Tapos medyo, ano din siya, parang passion fruit na medyo maasim.
If you prepare something richer and more chocolate forward, the Plaisir Zucca is a great choice. It has layers of chocolate flavors with a slightly nutty texture that gives it more depth.
Hindi siya matamis, masarap. Wala siyang caffeine.
The matcha latte had a smooth and creamy texture with a balanced matcha flavor.
Siguro kasi hindi hinalo. Pero mas lasa ko talaga yung pistachio tsaka yung matcha. What if pag hinalo pa yung rose sa ilalim? So, mamaya try ko. I think okay din pala yung combo ng pistachio, ng matcha, tsaka yung rose. Tapos may pa siya, petals pa sa as toppings. So, ang ganda talaga.
Hindi mo hinalo kasi masasayang yung
Yes. Masayang yung aesthetic eh.
Aesthetic.
Pag hinalo ko. Yeah.
Well, yung sa akin naman, yung chamomile, I chose this one kasi gabi na. So, I don't want to take any caffeine. Kasi yung chamomile is maganda sa sleep. Pag tinikman mo siya, hindi ako masyadong umiinom ng chamomile, pero para siyang bulaklak. Nalalasahan mo yung bulaklak, tapos meron pa siyang lemon. So, medyo may asim ng konti. One thing you'll quickly notice is that almost every corner of the restaurant is photo-worthy. What I enjoyed most wasn't just the desserts, but the overall atmosphere. It's relaxing, peaceful, and ideal for spending quality time with family and friends. And honestly, places like this remind you that dining isn't always just about food. Sometimes, it's also about slowing down and enjoying the moment. Cheers for what? For a long time, we didn't see each other. Cheers. Overall, our experience at Ledgery BGC was elegant, relaxing, and memorable. Yes, it's a bit on the pricey side, but considering the ambience, presentation, service, and overall experience, it feels worth it for special occasions.
Alam nyo po, very worth it magcafe sa Lodgery after a kilometer walk sa Forbes Street ng BGC. Forbes Town pala. I'm so sorry. Like, sa sobrang, naka 10k steps na kami, tas after Lodgery, the best. Baka naman Lodgery. Watch it.
If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coffee reviews, food trips, and travel experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next vlog.
You're so mean.